Last night, we told you about a woman in Luzerne County who caused tens of thousands of dollars of food and produce to be thrown away. That's after police say she deliberately coughed and spit throughout a grocery store.
Now that woman is behind bars. Newswatch 16's Chelsea Strube was at the arraignment. She's live outside the Garrity's in Hanover Township. Chelsea.
Good evening, John and Julie. Margaret Serco of Hanover Township was arraigned inside a police vehicle outside District Court because of new COVID-19 protocols. Now she's facing several felony and misdemeanor charges after police say she went inside this Garrity's on the Sansui Parkway and deliberately coughed and spit on produce, meat, and bakery items, all while saying, "I have the virus."
Your bail is $50,000 straight. This is a copy of your criminal complaint, arrest warrant affidavit.
It was inside a police vehicle that District Judge Joseph Hallisey told Margaret Serco of Hanover Township the charges she's up against. Police say Serco went into Garrity Supermarket on the Sansui Highway Wednesday afternoon and deliberately and violently coughed and spit on food throughout the store before trying to steal a case of beer. Employees of the store attempted to stop her while she continued to cough and spit on produce and meat, but she kept yelling, "I have the virus. You're all going to get sick." Garrity Supermarket worked with the Hanover Township Health Department and determined everything she came into contact with had to be thrown away.
My first thought went to the fact that we're just going to have to throw out all this food. It's so hard to get right now. I mean, produce hasn't been too bad, but the price of produce is going up quite a bit. And when it comes to all the different grocery items, it's so hard. So right now, it's just the worst time in the world to be throwing food away.
Garrity's posted photos on Facebook of just some of the more than $35,000 loss, including organic produce, bakery items, and meats, as well as employees sanitizing the shelves afterwards.
Our crew came in around 4 o'clock this morning. They have all worked so hard, and they've been here ever since. They're almost done now. Everything was totally clean, totally disinfected. Everything is very safe.
Less than 24 hours later, the shelves have been restocked here inside Garrity's in Hanover Township, and the co-owner tells Newswatch 16 that's thanks to support from his suppliers of this store. But he's also received a lot of support from the community and around the world.
This took on a life all its own. I mean, we've gotten contacted by a newspaper in London. People have called from Germany asking if they could help. A lady asked if she could buy gift cards from us from Georgia. It's amazing.
Co-owner Joe Fasula says what is also amazing is the dedication of his employees, especially when an already hard time was made worse.
I mean, I spend most of my time walking around yelling at them to go home, just to get them some time off. But as soon as this happened yesterday, they all jumped in. They did everything they possibly could to get the product out, and then get the case emptied, get the case cleaned, and then cleaned up and sanitized.
Now, there is no word yet if Serco has tested positive for COVID-19, but she is locked up in Luzerne County in lieu of $50,000 bail, and she is facing 4 felony charges, including 2 counts of terroristic threats, 1 count of criminal mischief, and like you said earlier, John, she is facing a felony charge for a threat with a weapon of mass destruction. Chelsea Strube, Newswatch 16, reporting live in Hanover Township.
All right, Chelsea, thank you.